Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. So this is your second video about the articles. So in this video we will see how use the articles. In previous video already explained you the article uses, and from the book only again I read for you and explain you from your book only. And in this video we will cover up this all the things about articles. This is a article part of 2 means video second, okay, don't confuse it. So articles we will see once again. Kinds of articles: use of are and n, use of definite articles like the, and we will solve the exercise a, b and c. A and B exercise I will solve, but C exercise you will do by yourself. Okay. So now we will see this one. Articles, the chapter 9. So we will see the articles are a, n, and the. Three articles are there. Articles word that define whether something specific or unspecific. Okay. Articles are classified as a determiners. Determiners, you know, I think you like a define one before the noun or pronoun we are using the words. They are kinds of adjective which always use with and give some information about noun. Okay. So kinds of articles, when we are talking about the kinds of articles, so kinds of articles are two are there: indefinite or definite articles. So first we focus on indefinite articles. Which one? That one. A and n are indefinite articles because they usually give a sense of any rather than particular. He consulted a doctor means any doctor. Okay, not the particular doctor we are talking. Second one articles is your definite article. The. So the is your definite articles. Why we say that the is definite article? Because the is definite article. It is used to specify a particular person or thing. He consult the doctor. The doctor. In definite articles we said a doctor, but in definite articles we are say the doctor. The doctor means a particular doctor. Means he proper doctor means his particular doctor he went there. Name also there that doctor. So uses of a and n. So we use a before words that begin with consonant sound like a pen, a bag, a table, a book, a chair, a dog, a computer, a cat. Now this is the picture on your screen, you can see it. Second one, we use n before words that begin with vowel sound like an umbrella, an egg, an oven. Yeah, oven. Okay, oven is oven. Okay, an hour, an orange, an iron, an engine, an apple. Okay, so this is the sound of the vowels. We use n before that begin with the vowel sound. Now the third one point is your about the uh, a and n are used only before singular countable nouns, and the second one, a and n we use singular countable noun. A pencil and egg, we not say a pencils and eggs. This is a pencils and eggs are wrong. Okay, the indefinite articles are is also used in the sense of one. Okay, means one. For example, wait a second, 1,000 people were there. Okay, use of definite article the. So the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Let us go to the park. The girl cried, and The is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. Like the cow is domestic animal, the cat loves comfort. The is used before the names of certain books, really holy scriptures books like the Gita, the Bible, the Quran. Okay, and the used before the names of things unique of their kind. Okay, like the sun, the ocean, the sky, the earth. The is used with superlative degree of adjective like the darkest, the best, the bravest, the oldest. The is used before the name of musical instrument also like the guitar, the harmonium, the piano, the flute. Okay. The used is used with the names of the mountain range also like the Himalayas, the Alps. With the names of rivers, canals, oceans and seas, the Nile, the Black Sea, the Southern Canal, the Antarctica Ocean. Okay. However, the is used with the name of historical monuments also, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. I hope you understand the articles also and how to use it. Now, omission of the article is omitted before names of substance like gold is a precious metal, before abstract nouns, honesty is the best policy. Okay. Before languages, we are studying English. Before names of relations, father has come. Before names of meals, dinner is ready. Before most proper nouns, name of person, continents, cities and countries. India is a democratic country. Kalidas has written many plays. Before plural countable nouns used in general sense. Computers are used in many offices. Children like chocolates. Okay. So this is your article chapter and this is the warm up. You read it this one and please write this articles kinds of articles and use it and fill ups already I fill it you can see here and the B exercise your this one also I have fill it this one also do in copy and book both. I left the C1 exercise. C1 exercise is a short paragraph so please this one do by yourself. If you have any doubt you can ask to me. I don't think so now you have any doubt because articles very previous classes we are reading this one. So you do one thing you write all the exercise in your copy in very neat and clean. Okay. So and this one warm up if you want to write so you can write it but you write this the article kinds of articles till here the till the particular doctor and this from the articles are from here to here you write down. Okay. And this exercise this one no need to write and omission one you write down this omission part you write down omission of the article from your book you write down and this all the exercise also. Okay. In your copy and fill your book also. Okay. So I hope you clear this topic and next video we will discuss our next one topic. So till then take care and have a nice day and please save yourself. No need to unnecessarily go out from your houses. Take care yourself also and your family. So take care, have a nice day.